Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga has held the church's role in championing national development. Zanabina mashoko buda panguva ine our general vanokunzi is urging stronger ties between the government and the churches. Not about subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Tibuda mashoko general Ramdanyira Chiti. He called for a recalibration of the church's approach in alignment to the government's overall national development plan for better and sustainable results. Chiwenga was speaking at the centenary celebrations for the Cathedral of Sacred Heart of Jesus at the Dominican Convent School grounds in Harare yesterday. The celebrations were held under the theme 100 Years of Faith, a legacy of love and a future of hope. Speaker of Parliament Advocate KUPINDA, Minister of State for Harare Metropolitan Province, Comrade ZVAITWA, former First Lady Dr. Grace Mugabe and several other senior government officials were in attendance. Chiwenga reflected on the church's significant contributions to education, health, and community upliftment in the country. As a proud Catholic and a servant of the Republic, I wish to underscore the significant role the church has played in Zimbabwe's development, particularly in education, health, community upliftment, he said. These contributions are aligned with our national vision of building an inclusive, empowered, and morally grounded society. We stand here today as humble children of God, celebrating the gift of the church and its impact in our lives, giving us hope for a beautiful future of abundant grace. In times of such as this, marked by economic pressures, moral challenges, social fragmentation, we must draw even closer to the cross. We are called to rekindle a covenant between government and church, to work together in the spirit of Isaiah 1:17, learn to do good, seek justice, correct oppression, bring justice to the fatherless, and plead the widow's cause. Chiwenga urged the nation to be bold in faith and diligent in actions. Let us raise a generation of young people who know the Lord, honor their neighbor, and serve their country with integrity, he said. Let us continue to build parish, not only with bricks and mortar, but with love, compassion, and purpose. May the witness of those who build and sustain this cathedral inspire us to greater faith, service, and unity. May this sacred space continue to be a beacon of divine grace and a fortress of spiritual nourishment. The Vice President address further delved into the stories of Father Constantino and Father Joao, sons of King Mpande, who ventured beyond Zimbabwe in the 17th century. Their missionary work extended to Masao and Brazil, showcasing the global reach of Zimbabwean priests. Thomas Paneta Kopana General Pangua Inoi, aiwa vachinkareja kuti aiwa isusu sevagari munyika yezimbabwe aiwa sevana mate we must have more strong ties between the government aiwa nevemachechi. Pera comment section yedu dzimafunguro eni matikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.